Hi, welcome to Get Your Tech Tips. As you know, or you may not know, that in Blogger you can create custom link for your blog post or article. So today we will see how to create custom link in Blogger. So let's start. Click on new post. I am writing a sample heading and a sample post just to show. Then at the right hand side, click on links. You will see you have been assigned an automated link which everyone get by default in Blogger. Click on custom permalink and write your own custom link. Then click save and you are done. Wait, don't go. Here are the tips. Remember, you have to create your custom link before you publish your post. If you have already published your post but still want to create a custom link, for that you have to revert the post as draft, then create custom permalink